World War II stands as the most devastating global conflict in modern history, spanning from 1939 to 1945. Its roots delve deep into the complex geopolitical landscape of early 20th century Europe, tracing back to the profound injustices of the Treaty of Versailles following World War I. This treaty, designed to punish and weaken Germany, left the nation economically crippled, humiliated, and seething with a desire for retribution. The economic devastation of the Great Depression in 1929 further intensified Germany's national despair. Hyperinflation had destroyed savings, massive unemployment ravaged communities, and the economic instability created a breeding ground for extreme political ideologies. It was in this volatile environment that Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party found their opportunity, skillfully manipulating public sentiment with promises of national restoration and racial superiority. The Nazi ideology, built on the toxic combination of Aryan racial supremacy, antisemitism, and pseudoscientific eugenics, represented a dangerous perversion of scientific theories. Hitler and his followers transformed Darwin evolutionary concept and emerging genetic research into a horrifying narrative of racial hierarchy. They claimed that certain races were superior and must be preserved, while others were deemed inferior and should be eliminated. This ideological framework would ultimately lead to one of humanity's most horrific tragedies, the Holocaust. The systematic persecution of Jews began gradually. Initial legal discrimination through the Nuremberg laws in 1935 stripped Jewish citizens of their rights, followed by increasing social and economic marginalization. By the time World War II erupted, this persecution had transformed into a meticulously planned genocide. Concentration camps like Auschwitz became symbols of industrial-scale murder, where approximately 6 million Jews and millions of other undesirable groups were systematically killed. The war itself began dramatically when Nazi Germany invaded Poland on September 1, 1939, a moment that would forever change the course of global history. This invasion prompted Britain and France to declare war, quickly transforming a regional conflict into a global confrontation. Germany's revolutionary military strategy, Blitzkrieg or Lightning War, allowed them to conquer much of Europe with unprecedented speed. Countries like Denmark, Norway, Belgium, and France fell in rapid succession, showcasing the terrifying efficiency of Nazi military tactics. The conflict rapidly evolved into a complex global war, dividing the world into two primary power blocks. The Axis powers, comprising Germany, Italy, and Japan, stood against the Allied powers, which included the United States, Britain, Soviet Union, and China. Each side brought unique strengths and motivations. Germany's technological and tactical superiority, Japan's imperial ambition in Asia, and Soviet Union's massive manpowers, and the United States' industrial might. Pivotal battles would ultimately define the war's trajectory. The Battle of Stalingrad represented a critical turning point on the Eastern Front, where Soviet resistance broke the myth of German invincibility. In the Pacific, the Battle of Midway marked the moment when the United States began to reverse Japanese naval supremacy. The D-Day invasion of Normandy in 1944 signaled the beginning of the end for Nazi-occupied Europe, demonstrating the massive collaborative effort of the Allied forces. The war's conclusion came with unprecedented and controversial methods. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945 demonstrate the terrifying potential of modern weaponry, instantly killing tens of thousands and forcing Japan's unconditional surrender. These actions would forever change international warfare and global power dynamics. When the dust settled, the human cost was staggering. Approximately 16 million lives were lost, with civilian casualties far outnumbering military deaths for the first time in modern warfare. Entire cities lay in ruins, economies were decimated, and an entire generation was traumatized. The geopolitical map was redrawn, with the United States and Soviet Union emerging as new superpowers, setting the stage for the decades-long Cold War. World War II was far more than a military conflict. It was a profound moral and philosophical crucible that exposed both the depths of human cruelty and the extraordinary capacity for resilience, courage, and hope. It revealed how dangerous ideologies, when left unchecked, could lead to unimaginable atrocities. Yet, it also demonstrates humanity's ability to unite against tyranny, to rebuild after devastation, and to strive for a more just world. The lessons of World War II continue to resonate. They remind us of the importance of standing against hatred, protecting human rights, and understanding that our shared humanity is far more significant than the artificial divisions of race, nationality, or ideology. In remembering this dark chapter of human history, we honor those who suffered and those who vowed to ensure such horrors would never be repeated.